Okay, in order to prove this to be a shape, we have to first know what kind of shape that it forms when you guys graph all of them. Okay, now just by looking at this shape after you graph it, what shape does it look like? It looks like a rectangle? Really? Even though it's all slanty and stuff? You don't think it's slanty? So you think that this is a right angle right here? Yeah. Okay, what can we do to prove that this is a rectangle? Find the slope? Yeah. Find the slope of what? The shape?
The segments.
The different segments. Okay, let's do that. Let's find the slope of each segment. Actually, yeah, I mean, I hope you guys can still see it. It's kind of dark for me. Okay, so if I find the slope of this segment right here, I would go up and then to the right. So what's my slope? Be up how many and then right? What is that? Up to then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right 5. Okay. What about this one right here? Because I got to know if these are parallel. I would go up to right 5. Is that right 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that'd be 2, 5 right there. So those are those slopes. What's this slope right here? Up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back 1. Because you go back 1, that's a negative. And plus, this line goes down. You should know that that's a negative 4 right there. And then what about this one right here? Is that one also a negative 4?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then right 1. Yep, that one's also a negative 4. Okay, so these sides are parallel. These sides are parallel. I know this is a parallelogram. Is that all we're supposed to do? Are we supposed to prove it's a rectangle or a parallelogram? Read the directions at the top. What does it say? It says identify the shape. Okay. So you guys still think this is a rectangle?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you know though? We know that it's a parallelogram. We got that because the opposite sides are parallel. What else would we need to show that this is a rectangle? Angles? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. We have to show that the angles are 90 degrees. Now, do you guys know what perpendicular slopes look like? If I had 2/3, yeah, it's the reciprocal. A perpendicular slope would be the reciprocal and the opposite. So these are perpendicular slopes. What about 2, 5, and negative 4? Are these perpendicular? No, they're definitely not perpendicular. So that means this is not a rectangle. It's definitely still a parallelogram. We still established that fact. This is a parallelogram so far. Can it be a square? Do you guys think these sides are congruent? No, probably not. I think that's all we got. Okay, so to prove that this is a parallelogram, we just had to find all the slopes. And now we know that the opposite sides are parallel. So I'm going to write this. Because the sides are parallel, let's see, let's go. I didn't label my sides. This is X right here, that's Y, that's Z, and this is W. So XY is parallel to WZ, and the other one was XW, which is parallel to YZ. Okay, therefore, WXYZ is a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel. Now this is not a formal like 2-column proof. We're just kind of trying to use the coordinates to show that it is what we think it is.